Toes together, heels a little bit apart, so the outside edges of your feet are parallel to the edges of the mat. Engage your leg muscles, your glutes, engage your core, roll your shoulders back, face the palms forwards, and keep your neck and head on the same line with your spine. Gaze right in front of you. Hands above your head. Look towards your thumbs and exhale, fold from your hips. Bend your knees. And relax your neck and head. Inhale, step your right foot back. Place the knee down. Roll your shoulders back, open your chest. Exhale, step your feet together in the back. And lower yourself down, bend your elbows. Your chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, press into your palms, slide forward, hips down on the ground. Lift your shoulders, open your chest. Exhale, press into your hands. In a downward facing dog. Stay here. You can pedal your feet one at a time. Keep on breathing. Make sure your fingers are spread wide. Press through the whole palms and fingers. You can keep your knees bent, but keep your spine straight. One long line from your head, neck, spine. And then you can press your heels backwards and onto the ground, to the back and onto the ground. Spread your toes wide. And make sure you roll your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, step your right foot between your hands. Place your back knee down on the ground. Lift your upper body up. Open your chest, roll your shoulders back. And exhale, step your feet together between your hands. Fold forward. You can bend your knees, relax your neck and head. And inhale, roll your spine straight to standing and lift your hands above your head. Gaze towards your thumbs and exhale. Hands to the side in a mountain pose. Inhale, hands over your head. Exhale, fold from your hips. You can bend your knees to release your neck and head. Inhale, step your right foot back. Place the back knee down. And lift your hands to the sky. Sink your hips low, but keep your core engaged. Breathe here. Inhale. Open your chest and exhale. Place your hands on the ground. And bring your legs together. Bend your elbows. Place your chest and chin on the ground. And inhale, press into your hands. Slide forward. Press your hips down on the floor and roll your shoulders back. Open your chest. And exhale, press into your hands, through your hands and knees into a downward facing dog. Stay here. Externally rotate your upper arms, your shoulders away from the ears. And stay here. Gaze towards your toes. or your knees. The next inhalation, bring your right foot between your hands, place your back knee down, lift your hands up, let your hips sink low. Keep your core engaged, open your chest. Inhale and exhale, place your hands on the ground and step your feet together between your hands, fold forward. Bring your toes facing to the corners of the mats. Bend your knees and sink your hips down low into a goddess. Inhale, come up. Place your right toes towards the right and left foot comes 90 degrees. And exhale, shift your hips back and your shoulders forwards and come into a triangle, Trikonasana. You can grab from your shin or from your toes. Place your hand on the ground if that's available for you. Open the top arm, roll your shoulder back, really open your chest. And either gaze right in front of you on the wall, or if you feel any discomfort in your neck, gaze towards the ground, to your toes, or inhale, stay here, and exhale, place your hands to frame your front foot and step your back foot 45 degrees. Bring your hips parallel, close your hips. So they parallel to the ground. And try to fold onto your front leg. You can use blocks here to support you in this pyramid pose, or really sink deep into this forward fold here. Walk to the other side into a surfer lunge here. See if you can place your hands in front of your chest in a prayer position. Stay here, breathe. And exhale. Flip over to your left leg, place your back knee down, low lunge. Lift your hands off the ground to the sky. Inhale. And exhale, place your fingers on the ground. Bring your weight forward and step your back foot 45 degrees on the ground. Keep your hips closed, parallel to the ground. And use the blocks here if you want to for some support. And sink your front body on top of your front leg. Release your neck and head. Keep a micro bend in the front knee. Inhale, lift your chest and rotate your back foot 90 degrees. Grab from your ankle or from your shin with your left hand and open your chest towards me. And lift your right arm up to the sky. Stack your shoulders, open your hips, open your chest. Roll your shoulder back. You can gaze right in front of you or to the floor or to the sky. Breathe. The next inhalation, come up to standing. Rotate both toes diagonally outwards and exhale. Bend your knees And sit down low into a goddess here. Inhale, extend your legs and step your feet together on the left side of your mat. Bring your hands above your head. Grab from your left wrist and bend to the right. Inhale, come to the middle, switch hands and bend to the other side. Exhale. Inhale, come to the middle and bring your hands to the sides. Stay here, take one big inhalation through your nose and exhalation. Inhale, bring your hands over your head, grab from your left wrist, bend to the right. Inhale, come to the middle, switch, bend to the left. Inhale, come to the middle. Exhale, step a wide step to the side, face your toes diagonally outwards and bend your knees and sit down low into a goddess here. Inhale, extend your legs, rotate your left toes to the left and rotate your left foot 90 degrees. Keep your arms parallel to the ground. Inhale here and exhale, shift your hips back and your shoulders forward and come into a Trikonasana triangle. Grab from your shin or your ankle. Raise your right hand to the sky. Grow tall from your fingertips. Roll your shoulder back. Open your chest. Find your gazing point. Inhale and exhale. Place both hands on the ground on either side of your left foot and rotate the back foot 45 degrees. Close your hips parallel to the ground and fall into with your front body on top of your left leg. Keep a micro bend in the left knee. Use the blocks here if necessary. Inhale, lift your chest up and exhale, step back into a low lunge here. Inhale, bring your hands up to the sky and exhale, bring both hands to the inside of your left foot and rotate into a surfer here. Bring your hands into a prayer position. See if you can go to the other side without using your hands this time. Surfer on the other side. Inhale, open your chest, roll your shoulder back. And exhale, place your hands down on the ground. Come into a low lunge. Bring your hands to the sky. And exhale. Frame your foot with your hands. And inhale, step your back foot closer and place it on the mat 45 degrees. Lengthen your spine and exhale, fold to this front leg here. Keep a micro bend in the front knee. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Grab from your shin or from your ankle with your right hand. Rotate your left foot 90 degrees and open your left hand to the sky, your left arm to the sky. Roll your shoulder back. Find your gazing point. Engage your core. And inhale, come up to standing. Open your toes diagonally. And exhale, sit down low into a goddess here. Inhale, come up. Place your feet together on the right side of your mat. Bring your hands over your head, gaze up. Grab from your right wrist with your left hand and bend to the left. Inhale, come to the middle, switch and bend to the right. Inhale, come to the middle and release your hands to the sides.